Are you looking to connect LearnWorlds to Stripe? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step. Whether you're setting up a course platform or need to start accepting payments right away, you'll want to stick around till the end because I'm going to reveal not only how to do this, but also an even better solution for your business needs. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is log into your LearnWorlds account. Once you're in, head over to your admin panel and click on Settings. You should see an option for Payment Providers. Click there to get started. Next, you'll see Stripe listed as one of the available payment providers. Stripe is a popular choice for many course creators because it's reliable, widely used, and integrates easily with LearnWorlds. Click the Connect button next to Stripe, and you'll be redirected to Stripe's login page. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in, or if not, create one. It's quick and easy. After logging in, Stripe will ask you to authorize LearnWorlds to access your account. It's a straightforward process. Just click Allow, and you're almost done. The third thing you'll need to do is return to LearnWorlds and complete the integration setup. Once Stripe is successfully connected, you'll see a confirmation message. This means you're now ready to start accepting payments via Stripe directly on your LearnWorlds platform. Now, let's talk about the benefits and a few things to keep in mind when using Stripe with LearnWorlds. Stripe is known for its ease of use, no monthly fees, and the ability to accept payments globally. However, it does charge transaction fees, which can add up depending on your sales volume. While it's a solid option, it's not always the best choice for everyone. Next thing you should know is that while Stripe is well integrated with LearnWorlds, some users have found the process a bit clunky if you have advanced needs, like multiple currencies or high-volume transactions. In those cases, things can get tricky, and LearnWorlds might not have the most robust tools for you. So here's where it gets interesting. While LearnWorlds and Stripe work fine together, there are better alternatives out there. For example, if you're looking for a platform that's more flexible, scalable, and has better customer support, I'd highly recommend checking out Alternative Software. It offers seamless integrations with a wider range of payment providers, plus more advanced features that make it easier for you to manage your business growth. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that the video description contains an exclusive link where you can get an extended free trial to Alternative Software. This software could be a much better fit for your goals and provide a smoother experience. Plus, through our link, you'll get access to the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching. I hope you now know how to connect LearnWorlds to Stripe and found some helpful insights about the process. But don't forget to check out the alternatives I mentioned. This could be the solution that takes your business to the next level.